Hey, this is Eric at Techno RV, and I promised a lot of people from the Tampa RV show and a lot of people from our newsletter list that as soon as we got the new portable Surge Guard units in, that we would send an email out and let you know so that you can check them out. And so they're in. Obviously, I'm surrounded by them, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about the new features of these. So let's just go ahead and get started. This comes in, of course, a 30 and a 50 amp model. And a lot of the features are the same as the previous model in that you're going to plug this into a pedestal, plug your RV in here, flip the breaker. It's going to run a 10-second analysis on the pedestal. Make sure it's all wired properly. Make sure you got a proper neutral, a proper ground. Make sure there's no high-low voltage issues, no reverse polarity issues. And then it's going to cross the power over to your RV. And then it's going to protect you against high and low voltage. Anything above 132 or below 102, that would be considered voltage that's not safe for those sensitive electronics in your RV. So this unit will cut you off from that. It also has a great surge suppression in it. For the 50 amp models, it has 4,200 joules of protection, and the 30 amp model has 2450 joules of protection. So they really have great protection as it relates to surge as well. And it still has that great lifetime warranty with connected equipment coverage. You can read more about that on our site. But the one thing that they did with these units that kind of made it a new model is that there's a wireless adapter inside of these units now. And so what that allows you to do is add a monitor that sits inside your RV. So with these portable units, a lot of what we would hear is, well, if something happens in the middle of the night, I got to walk outside in my pajamas and look at the monitor here on the pedestal to see kind of what's going on. Well, now you can buy with these units a wireless display. Now this is sold separately, but it's a Surge Guard wireless display. It's wireless. It takes 3 AAA batteries. And this just sits in your RV and syncs up with the unit that's sitting outside. So that is a really cool feature, and I know a lot of RVers have been waiting for something like that, and it's here. The other thing that they added as far as coverage is that the Surge Guard now covers for frequency. So this usually isn't a problem. Usually you're running at the 60 hertz, but if you're not, then this unit's going to catch that and make sure that you're cut off from that condition. So you can go to our site and check out the new 34951 is the 50 amp, the 34931 is the 30 amp, and then you can also check out the wireless display. When you go on these product pages, you'll have a choice to add 3 items to your order. One will be if you want to add the wireless display, you can do that. And then also you'll have an option to add a cable lock, because if you'll remember, these units come with this locking ring here, and a cable lock allows you to run the cable through that locking ring and lock it to the pedestal to keep those would-be thieves away. So you'll have the option for that. And then we also have adapters that we give you a choice. If you want an adapter, we have the 50 to 30 amp adapters. And then we have the 30 to 50 amp adapters, which is another 50. But anyway, you get the point. So you can go 50 to 30 or 30 to 50 on the adapters. So you'll have those options on our website. So go check it out and see what you think of them. We've got plenty of them here. If you want to go ahead and get one, we've got a great price on them right now. And you can just put it in the cart, order it, and we'll ship it right out to you.